Alright guys, welcome back to another episode on the exhaust on the Black Widow. It is done, except for the exhaust tip. That is actually coming in the mail. We just ordered it today, or hopefully she ordered it. I don't know if she did, but it's a black powder-coated exhaust tip. It's a 3-inch inlet with a 5-inch outlet, stainless steel. It's kind of angle cut, but not a huge amount of angle on it. It's like them blunt tips, I guess you call it, where the tip end is rolled over and back into itself. So it's a really nice exhaust tip. It's going to look really good, but like I said, we're waiting for it to come in the mail. But I did finish the exhaust. I finished fixing the section that I showed you guys I needed to finish completing. And as you can see, there it is. It's no more self-tappers. It's all clamped. Now you'll say, oh, there's a self-tapper right there. Yeah, I use that self-tapper to hold the pipe together because the pipe actually fit kind of loose inside of that pipe. And as you can see, if you look right there, you can see it's kind of mushed out. I don't think that was quite 2.5, but it wasn't 2 3/4 either. So the stock tailpipe is kind of a weird size, off size. So, but we got it to work. Like I said, the self tapper was just put in there to hold it together because it kept sliding apart while I was trying to clamp it. And now that it's clamped, the self tapper is not doing anything, and I can't get the self tapper out because the clamp is right up against it. So I can't get a bolt on or a socket on it to pull that out. So it's just staying in there. But like I said, again, as you can see, it's all done up nicely. No more self tappers. And it sounds better because the last time when I did the video of the sound, it was it had small leaks because the self tappers were holding it together, and it wasn't clamping it together, so it was kind of leaking out. I'm sure you guys can understand what I'm saying. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time talking today. Kind of a little on the tired side. Didn't get really good sleep last night, but so I just had to show you guys that real quick. I understand it's going to be a short video and there's no editing done to it. This is just a straight raw cut video from beginning to end. So stay tuned for the 5th part with the exhaust tip being installed, and then there will be sound videos to show you guys the sound and tone of how the truck sounds inside when you're driving it, how the truck sounds on the outside when somebody else is driving it, and just a couple of good rev videos to show you what it sounds like when you're just revving it. So the exhaust tip is definitely going to change the way it sounds. So again, stay tuned for part 5 coming up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this series of videos. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, show your support for the channel, and catch you guys later.